Hey, what's up? This is Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. I'm going to show you how to play Let Me Die here on acoustic guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. So for this song, you're going to be in standard tuning with no capo. Your middle finger, your ring finger, and your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the D, G, B strings. And your pointer finger will be moving from open 4 2 on the E string. So to start it off, you'll play open on the E string and pluck for the 4th fret of the D and G strings. Right, so it'll go. Next, you'll put your pointer finger up on the 4th fret of the E string and play that same pattern. Then you'll put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the E string and play the same pattern. And then the second time you play that, you go, you play that pinky. So all together, it sounds like